Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best all-weather tires for snow that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Continental ExtremeContact All-Season Tire. The Continental ExtremeContact DWS06 Plus Ultra High Performance All-Season Tire is made for year-round use and fits cars like sedans, coupes, crossovers, and sport utility vehicles. With its wide structure and deep tread, this tire aims to offer strong grip across dry, wet, and cold surfaces. The design includes a section width of 225 mm and is built to support heavier loads with improved road contact. Its unique tread shape allows better control during sudden movements and reduces sliding on smooth or wet roads. This model also includes built-in performance signals marked within the pattern that help drivers know when the tire may no longer perform at its best under dry, wet, or snowy conditions. The tire is engineered to work under different driving needs, whether during a hot day or icy morning. It helps manage tight turns, quick stops, and changing surfaces while maintaining comfort. Its size and shape give it a stable feel on the road, and it can hold pressure up to 51 pounds per square inch. Its tread materials and internal construction aim to increase the time between replacements by allowing use up to 50,000 miles, depending on road and driving conditions. With modern styling, the outside look stays sharp while still supporting safety and control. Drivers looking for durability and handling across different weather conditions might find this model suited for both daily commutes and long-distance travel without changing tires every season. In our list, the number 2 product name is Michelin Cross Climate 2 All-Season Tire. The Michelin Cross Climate 2 all-weather tire is designed for all-season use and provides stable driving on different types of road surfaces. This tire is built to fit vehicles needing a size of 225 by 65 and supports load up to 1,874 pounds. Its directional tread layout offers balance while moving through dry roads or wet pavement, giving dependable support across weather changes. Made for smooth handling in warm conditions and rated for severe snow, this model suits regions that experience sudden climate shifts. With a tread depth of 10-30 seconds and a pressure rating up to 51 pounds per square inch, it delivers grip and control without reducing comfort. The tire's wide contact surface helps maintain steady movement during turns and fast stops. The Michelin Cross Climate 2 all-weather tire is marked for mud and snow and includes a mountain snowflake symbol, showing it meets industry snow traction standards. Its construction includes strong materials that help extend its usage over time while keeping the vehicle grounded in challenging driving moments. Designed for those who drive all year without switching tires seasonally, it offers an option that performs on dry roads, in heavy rain, and on cold, snowy streets. The rim width of 6.5 inches supports its structure and contributes to even wear. Built for safety and endurance, this tire is made for daily drivers seeking solid control through a range of road conditions and temperatures. In our list, the number 3 product name is Kumho Road Venture AT51 All-Terrain Tire. The Kumho Road Venture AT51 All-Terrain Tire is built for drivers needing strong off-road support and smooth highway travel. This tire comes in size 32 by 11.5 and fits a rim width of 7.5 inches. With a section width of 11.5 inches and a tread depth of 16-30 seconds, it is shaped to handle rough landscapes while keeping traction steady. It holds up to 2,535 pounds of weight and can reach a maximum pressure of 50 pounds per square inch. The non-directional tread design allows the tire to perform consistently on various road types without wearing unevenly. Built with a 6-ply structure, it maintains stability across different surfaces. This model supports summer driving and is made for those who regularly transition between dirt paths, muddy roads, or wet highways. The tire includes channels and grooves that help remove water and snow quickly, supporting better grip during sudden weather changes. Kumho has been manufacturing tires since 1960 and is known for offering reliable driving support across regions. With production centers in South Korea, China, Vietnam, and the United States, the company reaches users across the world. The Road Venture at 51 all-terrain tire offers a balance between toughness on job sites and quiet movement on city roads. Designed with strong compounds, the tire supports even wear, helping reduce fuel use and extending its usable life for both light truck and sport utility vehicle applications. In our list, the number 4 product name is BFGoodrich All-Terrain KO2 Radial Car Tire. The BFGoodrich All-Terrain TAK02 Radial Tire is made for drivers using light trucks, sport utility vehicles, and crossover vehicles. Designed in size 245 by 65, this tire has a section width of 245 mm and a tread depth of 1330 seconds. It is built to support up to 2,405 pounds and can be inflated to a maximum of 65 pounds per square inch. The 8-ply construction helps with long-term durability across various driving conditions. This model provides balanced driving on dry highways and loose surfaces like snow, sand, or dirt roads. It fits an 8-inch rim and is structured with a symmetrical tread pattern, which helps deliver steady grip in different environments. The tire is also marked with the mountain snowflake symbol, showing its rating for cold weather use. BFGoodrich is known for making tires that hold up well in both city traffic and rugged terrain. The tread blocks include multiple biting edges and work together to maintain control during rough weather or uneven ground. A strong sidewall structure helps defend against cuts or damage from sharp objects on off-road tracks. This tire spreads pressure evenly across its surface, which supports more consistent wear. Made for year-round driving, it is ideal for vehicles that need off-road readiness along with daily on-road use. This tire is often selected by those who need reliable movement through mud, gravel, and snowy streets without giving up driving comfort. In our list, the number 5 product name is Continental TrueContact Tour Radial Tire. The Continental TrueContact Tour Performance Radial Tire is built for those using coupes, sedans, crossover utility vehicles, and minivans. This model comes in size 195 by 65 with a section width of 195 mm. It has a symmetrical tread pattern and a tread depth of 1130 seconds. Designed to fit a rim width of 15 inches, the tire has a diameter of nearly 25 inches and supports a light load capacity of 1.5 pounds. Continental, a well-known tire brand, focuses on balance between durability and road performance. This tire is made for summer driving and delivers dependable traction during warm seasons. It is shaped to control water movement with its wide grooves and open shoulders, which support better contact with wet road surfaces. The construction is meant to help reduce fuel use by using materials that work with lower rolling resistance. This supports drivers aiming for better mileage. The design also includes visible wear indicators, making it easier for users to check when a replacement may be needed. This model is structured for drivers who want both comfort and reliability on long routes. It has been developed to give strong grip and stability while maintaining even wear. The focus is on giving drivers extended usage time with smooth handling and quiet road experience. With high mileage support and a thoughtful tread setup, the Continental TrueContact Tour Performance Radial Tire brings together dependable use for those traveling across cities and highways in warm weather. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.